Can you install third-party apps on Apple TV? Are you feeling frustrated because you cannot find your favorite apps on the Apple TV App Store? You bought the hardware, but it feels like you do not fully own the experience. It is time to change that. The good news is that you can fix this issue yourself at home. After watching this video, you will know exactly how to get those third-party apps running on your device. It is easier than you think. If you face any difficulty during these steps, please leave a comment. I will reply to you personally within 1 hour. Also, make sure to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel TechVibes. We will cover 3 proven methods: Sideloadly, AppDB, and a simple AirPlay workaround. First up is Sideloadly. It is a powerful tool that lets you sideload apps directly from your computer. Sideloading means installing files directly. You will need a Mac or PC and the IPA file for the app you want to install. Sideloadly is free for everyone. Connect your Apple TV to your computer. For newer models, just ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network so they can talk to each other. Open Sideloadly on your computer. Drag your app file into the window and enter your Apple ID. Then, simply hit the Start button to begin. Note that free accounts need a refresh every 7 days. It is a small trade-off for having total control over your apps. To make these apps work, you must enable developer mode. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Developer mode and turn it on. Next is AppDB. This is a great choice if you want a wireless option without using a computer. Visit the website on your phone, link your Apple TV, and browse their massive app catalog. Just click Install on the app you want. Finally, the easiest way is using AirPlay. It is perfect if you do not want to install anything at all. Open the app on your phone, tap the AirPlay icon, and select your Apple TV. Your content appears instantly on the big screen. It is that simple. If an app does not open, double-check your developer mode settings. That is the most common fix for any starting issues. A quick reminder to only download files from sources you trust. Security should always be your top priority when sideloading. Remember, we are TechVibes. We are here to help you master your gadgets and solve your tech problems every single day. You have got this. Troubleshooting is just about following the steps. Take it slow and follow the guide one piece at a time. I am confident you can handle this. Thanks for watching TechVibes. I will see you in the comments section. Goodbye for now.